Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Gemini and Vertex AI for automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have access to your Google Cloud Console. Log into your Google Cloud account and navigate to your project dashboard. If you haven't already, enable the Vertex AI API for your project. In the menu, locate the API and Services section and click on Library. Search for Vertex AI API and select it from the results. Click the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Next, proceed to the I am an admin section in the left sidebar. Select Service Accounts to begin the creation process. Click on the Create Service Account button. Enter a name and description for your service account and click Create. Assign the Vertex AI user role to your new service account by searching for it in the role dropdown. After assigning roles, click Continue and then click Done. Locate your newly created service account in the list and click on its email address. In the Account Details page, select the Keys tab. Click on Add Key and then choose JSON as the key type. This will download a JSON file containing your service account credentials. Store this JSON file securely, as it contains sensitive information. Now, open your terminal or command prompt to start the integration process. Install the Google Cloud SDK if you haven't already done so. Run the command to authenticate using the service account JSON file. Enter the command, CloudAuth activate service account key file equals yourkeyfile.json. Replace yourkeyfile.json with the path to your downloaded JSON file. Once activated, you can configure Google Gemini for automation. In your Google Cloud project, navigate to the Vertex AI section. Click on Gemini and follow the prompts for configuration. You will need to set up your model parameters and any additional settings. To link your service account with Google Gemini, ensure the appropriate permissions are enabled. Test the connection by running a simple task or query through Vertex AI. If successful, your Google Gemini is now authorized for automation within Vertex AI. Document any settings or configurations you've made for future reference. Regularly review your service account permissions to maintain security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.